Good day, my realest fans. I want you let you know, say if me and shotgun meet you for lobby, I'm a very wicked man. I'm a very wicked man when I no get heart. Because shotgun na sugar cane. No, they use shotgun, you know if you know whether na sugar cane or not be sugar cane. But try test am, you go understand. The reason why I stand by the motion say shotgun na sugar cane, because if I shoot am, he meet you. If me shoot am, na the sugar. But if he meet you, na the cane. Now why I stand by the motion that say shotgun na sugar cane. But now here my village group want show me say the pass me, but I let them know say shotgun na sugar cane. Even this enemy say he confirm am. But he confirm am. Now he ask me say where for buy the sugar cane. Now let her know say na on no location. He say confirm am say shotgun na sugar cane. Shotgun na sugar cane. Because if not be shotgun, imagine which kind gun want they do this kind of thing. Aje. Because now one tap. Na one tap. Aje, I say shotgun na sugar cane. Shotgun na sugar cane. Grab your copy now. Aje, because shotgun na olele. See the way people they confirm shotgun. Shotgun for neck, shotgun for head, shotgun for leg. Aje na shotgun they feel runner. If no be shotgun, na which gun wa runner? Aje na so shotgun they begin they activate for inside lobby. Aje, as I see shotgun, I confirm I say shotgun na sugar cane. See am for here now. See the way shotgun they chop am. They give people all the way. They give people from back. See they give people for back. Na so they carry people farther. They sit down. Now then I call the already talk say shotgun na sugar cane. Shotgun na sugar cane. Now who never test and I no know. Now who never use and I no know. Grab your copy now. Say shotgun na sugar cane. Because now this shotgun feed they make people papa they sit down for gun as in one call. Thank you, my listeners.